Hi friends, today in this video we are watching the latest sliding wooden door design ideas. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. The design of sliding wooden doors, it holds significant importance of several reasons. Sliding doors do not require extra space for swing to open, making them ideal for areas where space is limited, such as small rooms or close to the apartments. And wooden sliding doors bring natural and elegant look for your interiors, enhance the overall aesthetic of your room. The variety of wooden types and finishes and the designs allow to the customization to suit different styles from traditional to modern. And natural light with large glass panels. In many sliding door designs, these doors allow to the more natural light into the room. It's creating brighter and more inviting atmosphere. And high quality wooden sliding doors. Its typically features is the smooth and effortless and operation, which improve the overall user experience, especially in high traffic areas. And sliding doors can be used to the divided spaces, offering in practical way to separate areas without the need of for bulky partitions, and they can also be designed to provide privacy and close. Wood is durable material that when properly maintained can last for many years. A well-designed sliding wooden doors will stand the best of your years and while maintaining its functionality and appearance. And properly sealed the sliding wooden doors, it's help with the installation and keeping the interior's temperature constant and potential reducing energy cost. And overall sliding wooden doors, it's blend to the functionality with authentic value of contributing of the both practicality and of style of your space. And there are several reasons and several types of sliding door designs, each offering to the unique benefits in terms of style, functionality and space. The first one is the single sliding door. A single panel slides horizontally open or close. It's one of the most common and simple design. It's ideal for spaces where you only need to the one access of point. And another one is the double sliding door. Its two panels slide open in opposite directions. It's creating wider open. This type is often used in larger rooms or to connect indoor or outdoor spaces such as patios or gardens. And another one is the bypass sliding doors. This design is features two or more panels that slide past each other in parallel motion. It's typically used for closets and larger spaces where multiple doors you need to be open at once but do not have room to swing open. And another one is the pocket sliding door. This door slides into the pocket or cavity with the wall when fully opened, making it disappear entirely from view. The design of maximize the space, it's often used areas where you want the door to be out of the sight, it's not be used. And another one is the bifold sliding doors. This design is combination the functionality of a sliding door with folding panels. The door folds